I might be, hey, we might be with a 51 bird, but we'll be there.
So that right there just explained that I'm 70, right? Because I don't remember.
You know what? Show us your toes.
Yeah.